Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Calendar with Calendly. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just started to get used to with Calendly. And by connecting Google Calendar with Calendly, you'll be able to sync your schedules that are appointments on Calendly with your Google Calendar. So be sure to stick around, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first let's go ahead and hop onto our Calendly account, which looks like this right here. And then on the left-hand side, you want to click on this button that says Integrations and Apps. Next, you want to scroll down to where it says Google Calendar. So you'll see Google Calendar over here on the left-hand side. Click on that. Now what you see here is that there is a syncing problem with my email specifically, but you just want to click on continue with Google Calendar connection. And there you'll follow a series of prompts to actually connect your calendar with Calendly. So from here, you'll be able to actually go to the calendar sync option. So under calendar sync, this is the auto page that you're going to be brought to. You can see that you can connect your Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or Exchange Calendar. So I'm going to click on Google Calendar Connect. And then from this page, you're just going to need to log on to one of your Gmail accounts. So I'm going to click on this blurred out Gmail account over here and then click on continue. Now on this page, Calendly is simply just asking you access to your Google account. You just need to click on continue here on the bottom. And so once you reach those prompts, you should see that your Google Calendar is connected to Calendly. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Google Calendar with Calendly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.